Everybody, this is David Foss with MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island, where we're standing aboard a brand new 2026 Boston Whaler 15 Montauk. This is a freshly in-stock boat we have available here at 362 Pond Street. We're going to do a quick walkthrough to show you some of the options and features equipped on this boat. First of all, when you're flipping through the pictures online, you'll see that the exterior is in the platinum light gray color with black graphics. Also has a black rub rail with a stainless steel insert on the boat. Inside the boat, we're going to go from back to front. We start with our MERCURY 60 horsepower engine on this 15 Montauk. This is the classic Montauk flipping backrest seat. So you can have two people facing forward. You can also flip this. So you have two people facing backwards. There's another position where it becomes a leaning post. So if you're standing while you're driving the boat, you can lean against it. So classic Boston Whaler option with that flipping backrest. Very comfortable seat, high backrest for good back support as well. Let's take a look at our helm and see how she's equipped. So we do have a 7-inch SIMRAD. This is going to be your color chart for navigation. It's also going to display your depth, and it's a touch screen. We do have a SIMRAD VHF equipped on this boat. And this is the MERCURY Smart Gauge, where you're going to have information like battery voltage, etc. on this screen. This boat is equipped with a sunshade. So I have this nice bimini top sunshade that'll give you lots of sun protection for the days that you need it. This bimini top also is completely removable and collapses if you need to get under bridge clearance as well, or for storage. We do have lots of grab rails. This boat is equipped with the complete rail package. So you see there's low profile grab rails. There's also the high aft rail and full bow rail on this boat. Looks very attractive and provides some safety. The boat is equipped with the fishing package. So that adds the rod holders here in front of the steering console, backrest and cooler. There's also a tackle box storage on the other side here as well. And we do have the bow filler cushion here. So you can remove this, fold it in half, stow it away nice and easy. And it does give you a non-skid front deck for fishing, standing on, etc. But also gains you access to the anchor locker here. So that is a quick look at our 15 Montauk that we have in stock at MarineMax in Wakefield, Rhode Island. Again, we're at 362 Pond Street in Wakefield. Look us up online, make an appointment. We'd love to meet you. Come show you some of our boats. Thank you very much.